Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manoj Kumar, and in this video I will show you how you can change your camera icon colors in your Xiaomi 11i. So for doing that, first you need to go to your camera app, and here you can see, if I tap here, this yellow default color we see here. So for changing that, go to the settings, scroll down, tap on customize, and here the third option, the colors, tap here. Then you can see it's automatically default yellow color, but you can choose any of these 5 colors and apply it. So I choose this turquoise color and apply it. That's it, it's done. Go back to the camera app, and now you can see the icon color is changed, and if I tap here, then you can see this yellow color changes in turquoise color. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching.